Hi, my name is Isaac and I'm from Kiosk. Today I'm going to show you how to get a Cyfe dashboard up onto your Kiosk content management system so you can share it alongside other content that you wish to create for your team. All right, so we're going to start by going to the dashboard we want to share. This one here is for YouTube Analytics. We're going to grab a shareable link, copy to clipboard, and now we're going to go over here to Kiosk. We're going to add a new slide. We're going to choose the Any Website option. And with this option, we can just drop any URL right here. Choose the duration that we want it to show on screen. And voila, you're ready to go. Your dashboard is live and ready to be displayed alongside other content that you create. I hope this has been helpful, and thanks so much for watching.